What's up, YouTube? It's Randall back with another one. Got a new phone. Sorry for not posting a lot. This is my brother Everett. He got a haircut. But this is my four-wheeler. I traded it for the dirt bike I had. Currently, the bearings have gone bad, so we are looking for bearings. It's a 2015 Yamaha Grizzly 550. And anyways, yeah. Sorry for not posting. It's like, what do you say? Like 40? 50? 50 degrees outside? Yeah. We're going to listen to a cold start. It's fuel injected. It's got diff lock on it. Let's hear it. This hasn't been started in about a week, so it's kind of getting smoky in here. But anyways, that's my new four-wheeler. Yeah, it's got a radio on it. It's missing a headlight. And we're going to do some cold starts on these now. I'm going to have my brother start this one. It's a Coleman, like 200, I think. I don't know.
Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah. This one doesn't have an exhaust on it, so. Okay, let's go. Anyways, the reason it didn't take off, the clutch is messed up on it. Now cold start this one. This one usually starts first pull. There you go, Everett. This one has an exhaust. That is, you know, it's stock except the exhaust. That's my brother again. Anyways, that's just a short video saying why I've been gone. This is my new four-wheeler. It's got power steering and all that, you know.
I'm getting a new four-wheeler in a week or two.
He'll have one in a week or two. It's going to be a Honda or Yamaha or something like that. I don't know. He's been having to ride with me, but it's broke right now, so we haven't rode anything in like a month or two. So, yeah. It's kind of boring. I'll go ahead and show you what this tire looked like. Grab that light over there so they can actually see. It's like that on front and back. We're currently looking for bearings. So yeah, that's life right now. Okay, that tire's flat. Anyways, yeah. We'll see y'all in the next one.